I have so many questions popping up on TikTok. It's very, very active for questions. Somebody called me a scam. You know, it's free stuff I give away. Man, I don't know what people are thinking, to be honest with you. Which is the best path for an at-home job? Jobs only. Okay, I've had this question before. What are the best jobs for at-home jobs, remote work? What are the best, I guess, IT jobs, information system security officer jobs, information cybersecurity type jobs, or IT jobs for work from home? These days, after COVID, you know, I would have had a different thing to say about this. But these days, mostly, let me put it to you this way. I can tell you what jobs are not compatible with remote work. Let me start from there. Because nowadays, you can do so many jobs remotely. Organizations and employers are now more open to remote work. I've been doing this before COVID, so it was a lot harder to get remote work before this. Jobs that are not conducive to remote work would be classified positions, in my opinion, in my experience. If you're in a classified environment, if you're trying to get work, especially if it's secret and above, it's harder to have 100% remote. Normally what they'll do, at the most, they'll have like a flex position, flex hours or flex, I can't remember what they call it, but basically it's like a hybrid, that's what they call it. So they'll say, okay, 2 days out of a week, you can be at home, and the other 3 days out of the work week, you have to be at the site, or 2 days, or vice versa, like 2 days on the site and then 3 days off site. So they'll do stuff like that. But the thing is, you have to be on site a lot of times to do the security stuff, the classified stuff. But that being said, there's actually some people, like a friend of mine, a really good friend of mine, he was telling me about how there's this innovative new technology where you can actually do even classified work from home jobs. So even that is going to be work from home more and more. And I'm talking about all the way up to TS. Once he explained to me how that's done, my mind was blown. I was like, holy crap, that makes sense. But anyway, most of those jobs right now, normally you can't do those remotely.